Those pesky mosquitoes can't even enjoy the outdoors. Are they bothering you? Are you getting swollen and uncomfortable every time you get those horrible bug bites? Or maybe it's your children, right? Well, I have an easy and non-toxic solution for you. You're going to love it, and it smells amazing. All right, so have you ever looked at the back of a DEET bottle? I know, busy moms, we don't really have time to do that, but if you have ever looked at the back of a DEET bottle, it says to wash off immediately. What? When was the last time you put on a mosquito repellent and washed it off immediately? Not really. It doesn't really happen. But you know what? That happened one time to my husband, Adrian. He put on a mosquito repellent and went outside to do some yard work. And you know what? He came back inside within just a couple minutes and he felt like he couldn't breathe. It had formed like this layer on his skin that he felt he absolutely couldn't breathe. So he had to wash it off immediately. So there you go, wash it off immediately. Well, we're gonna use something that is non-toxic, that's safe for pregnancy, for babies, for the elderly, for everybody. I love TerraShield. It is a blend of essential oils that's specially formulated by doTERRA. It comes in the 15 ml bottle that you can just put right onto your body, or a 30 ml spray bottle. I like the spray bottle because it's already ready for me, and I need the easy button, right moms? Let me know in the comments below if you're a busy mom too and you need the easy button. So the TerraShield spray bottle is amazing. You just mist one squirt on each limb and rub that in. It smells absolutely amazing and it works. And that's the key of what we're looking for. We just need it to work. So I love utilizing that. It's affordable and it lasts for 4 to 6 hours. So there you go. Be sure to go to roxysaran.com if you're ready to join the oily family. We would love to help you right there. Or if you would just like to purchase a bottle of two of TerraShield, you can do that right at roxysaran.com. Well, the next essential oil I'm going to tell you about today for those pesky mosquitoes is Citronella. Citronella essential oil has been known for many years that it is excellent to ward off those mosquitoes. So there you go. Citronella is an easy one. Lemon Eucalyptus is another one that smells really similar to Citronella that is great for mosquitoes. You just rub a drop or two on your limbs and you are good to go. Another essential oil that is amazing for repelling those mosquitoes is lavender, and that is one that you might plant some lavender plants around outside on your patio. But the essential oil is so powerful. Remember, 1 drop of essential oil is equivalent to 28 cups of tea. So imagine the potency of what you're getting when you put on 1 or 2 drops of lavender essential oil on you or your children, and you know it's absolutely safe and non-toxic as well. Peppermint is another one that is an excellent oil that repels cedarwood, tea tree or melaleuca, arbor vitae, and lemongrass. All of these are wonderful. You can mix them together in a spray bottle or just choose 1 or 2 that you would like to utilize. I love using essential oils on my body and for my children, and you can actually see the mosquitoes hover around, but they don't settle and they don't bite. And I love that. You're gonna love utilizing doTERRA essential oils so you can have a pest-free summer this summer. Be sure to go to roxysaran.com if you are ready to get started with essential oils, or if you just want to purchase 1 or 2 of the oils that we talked about today, go ahead and do that at roxysaran.com. So one way is that you can diffuse cedarwood. When you're outside, we've got a great diffuser called the Rome that you can take with you wherever you want. And so the Rome diffuser is excellent to put a couple drops of cedarwood or lemongrass indoors or outdoors to keep away those mosquitoes and bugs. You can apply citronella or peppermint or even spearmint to your wrists or ankles, or even just add a few drops to a spray bottle with some water. You shake it up a little bit. You can spray your clothes and your hands before heading out into the woods. Another essential oil is clove. Now, clove is a heating oil. It has a heating sensation to it, so you always want to be sure, safety first, that you utilize a carrier oil with it, like a coconut or an olive oil, and apply generously to your skin while you're outdoors to also combat ticks. I hope this information was helpful for you today. Be sure to go to roxysaran.com and hop in and get started with us with essential oils. We would love to help you right there at roxysaran.com. If you haven't done so yet, be sure to hit that subscribe and bell notification and also the like. I hope to see you in the next video. We'll be talking about Dr. Hill's daily routine. Have a great day.